Hello, today we will guide you through how to create Gumroad account and sell your first product. To begin, open Google in your web browser. In the search bar, type Gumroad and run the search. Once the results appear, click on the official Gumroad website. This will take you to the platform where you can create an account and start setting up products to sell online. When the homepage loads, look for the Start Selling button and click it. This is the entry point for creating a seller account. On the sign-up page, you'll be asked to enter your email address and password. Make sure you use an email you can access easily, since platforms like this often use email for account verification and important updates. After entering your details, you can create your account. In this example, the sign-in is completed using Google instead. Either option works, so choose the one that is most convenient for you. Once you're signed in successfully, you'll be taken to your Gumroad dashboard. From the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Products. This section is where you manage everything you want to sell. Next, click on New Product to begin creating your first item. You'll now be prompted to enter a product name. Type in a sample name or the actual title of the product you want to sell. After that, click on the sample product entry to continue into the product setup area. Here you can define the core details of what you're offering. Next, enter a sample price and select the appropriate currency. Be careful at this stage, since pricing affects how customers view your offer. It's a good idea to double-check both the amount and the currency before moving on. Once the basic information is in place, click. Next, customize at the top left. This section allows you to shape how your product appears to potential buyers. Follow the on-screen prompts to edit your product. Depending on the product type, this may include updating descriptions, visuals, or other presentation details. Take your time here so the product page looks clear and professional. When you're done customizing, click. Save and continue at the top right. This ensures your changes are stored before moving to the final stage. Finally, click Publish. This makes your product live and available on Gumroad. At this point, your first product is officially created and ready to be shared with customers. That's it. You've now created a Gumroad account and published your first product.